What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you're going to love it here. We catch absolute bangers. Today is September 18th, Thursday. We're going to go over the trade we caught live today with the Discord. We caught a short today, and it's pretty similar to the short we caught yesterday. If you guys haven't looked at yesterday's trade recap yet, take a look at it. I'll put the link up top. Anyways, it's a pretty similar idea to the trade we took yesterday. We basically took this off. Actually, let me get into that later. First, like I said, this is going to be our last week on funded accounts. We are switching over to a live account. I'm very excited for that. I think we're going to have a lot of luck on that live account, and I think that we're going to make a lot more money stacking capital and whatnot. It's going to be great. Not the same. I don't think it's the same fun as fundeds are. No pun intended. Cheers, little pre-worky. Anyways, I don't think it's the same amount of fun as fundeds are because you're like barely risking anything, so you can pretty much do whatever you want, but definitely more money to be made, so I'm excited for that. Also, if you are not trading live with me every day, make sure you join these lives. I take these trades live every single day. This is the same screen that I'm streaming live for my entire Discord of over 1,500 people now. It's been great. It's been a great 7 months since we started the community, so if you're not involved in that, join. It's completely free. Like I said, you guys can come trade with me live every single day. Link will be in my bio and my channel description and the video description. But anyway, let's get into the trade. Basically, we were trading all-time highs. London sesh. After London sesh, during pre-market, we created an SMT with ES. So basically, the biggest SMT you can get is at all-time highs. Obviously, the most prominent high on the chart. We got an SMT at all-time highs and London high as well. And after I saw that, I knew we were going to be bearish today. Once we came down quite a bit before I actually entered this trade, as you can see right here. We came down towards London lows. NASDAQ was lagging today, so ES came literally 4 points before London low like NASDAQ did yesterday. So I knew that London low was going to be our draw. Let me actually get this video started, though. So I knew that London low was going to be our draw on liquidity today. Why won't my thing go away, like my little recording? Hold on. There we go. Oh, it's just going to be there? Whatever. It's just going to be there. Sorry, guys. Basically, I knew that we were targeting London low today. Then we came up and tapped back into this 5-minute inverse fair value gap, which I was looking at right when market opened. This was a market open move right here. We inversed this 5-minute on the market open move and then dumped. I was like praying that we didn't get that we didn't get London low, which we did not. Thank God ES did not either. Then I was like, all right, I'm going to enter once we tap into this 5-minute inverse. I entered a little late, obviously. I wanted to see some rejection out of the 5-minute inverse first before entering the trade, of course. And then I entered, right, and obviously we're making this move down immediately. I was like, all right, perfect. This looks great because the rejection out of the 5-minute inverse is exactly what I wanted. As you can see, I had very tight stops on this trade. Also, my entry wasn't really this bad. This is just my streaming screen, and I like TradingView a lot more for these trade recaps for YouTube. So I have like this little paper trading screen on the side, and I basically enter the same trades that I take live every day, just for viewing purposes and streaming purposes. Because Top Step X, I'm just not dealing with that. So yeah, on Top Step X we got a little bit better of an entry. I entered like around right here. So it was a little bit better risk to reward as well, but this trade looks great too. As you can see, this is a short trade today. We basically we marked our break even. You guys can't see. There we go. We marked out our break even at these equal lows. They're not necessarily equal, but they're damn near as equal as it gets. So I don't want to hear it in the comments. I marked out these equal lows as my point where I wanted to go break even. I felt confident in this trade, but obviously we could reverse because we were still technically in high time frame bullish structure as we did make new all-time highs during London sesh. So I do expect more bullish price action going forward, but today I did love the short. Right here, it already had hit my break even. I told my whole Discord to go break even, I believe. Okay, yeah, I thought I was going to be a little late to move it break even on this screen, but I actually got it done in time. So perfect. I didn't move my position though, just so you guys could see where my original stop was. Bro, right here, when we were at this point in the trade, I literally already had my phone out filming like my laptop screen because I thought it was for sure going to hit my take profit right there. But we ended up, I believe, sweeping London lows on ES right there. So we did get a little bit of rejection. I actually got pretty scared when ES swept London lows because I was like, if an SMT messes up this trade right now, I'm coming through, bruh. No, I'm actually not playing with the SMTs though. They've messed up so many of my trades. So as far as this one, when we did create the SMT at London low right here, I was low-key panicked. As you can see, I was like thinking about trailing my stops. I didn't end up doing it, but I did tell my Discord to do it, which the trailing stop didn't get hit, I don't believe, anyway. I don't think so. I think we just ended up smacking TP. I got rid of that right there and ended up leaving it at break even. But that is pretty funny that just because of that little SMT, I was thinking about trailing my stop basically halfway into profit, like super low. So you guys could see how much bullish order flow we actually got off that little SMT at London low. I mean, I guess you wouldn't call that a little SMT, but our London low SMT, it actually did give us quite a bit of rejection on NASDAQ as well. It literally wicked my take profit by 1 point right here. I was tweaking on the live. I was like, bro, come on. Like, there's no way it's about to do me like that. I'm about to just cut it. But I ended up just waiting because I had a feeling we were going to go a little bit lower. And my take profit was absolutely perfect. I'm not going to show it in this video, but immediately after hitting my take profit, we reversed like basically the entire move past where I would have hit my break even. So it was a great take profit. We ended up smacking full TP right there. It was 1,400 on here, but I believe it was a little bit more on the top step accounts, like 1,530, making it a $7,500 day. I could be wrong, a little bit off there. $7,500 day. $500 day, we'll call it. Great day nonetheless. Back-to-back bangers. We caught a short yesterday as well, which is crazy because we're trading all-time highs and we're 2 for 2 on shorts this week. So that's definitely a little bit interesting. Again, if you want to trade live with me every day, take these trades with me every single day. The link is in my description, my channel description, as well as the description to this video. So click the link, join, come trade with the team. It's a great time. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. It means a lot. See you guys next trade recap.